Welcome to my video just to see if I can help someone else who's in the same position as myself. If you have a 5PW R1 and it's a 2002, 2003 is the same bike, you may have this issue with other bikes as well, but I can't find any information sort of relating to this exact problem on this year of bike. So the problem is I can't show you just now. It's been snowing outside and obviously the bike's in the house, where else would it be? But the problem is basically it's got a kind of, not a misfire, but a missing combustion cycle every now and again, sort of like a hesitation, I suppose you would call it. But it only happens at low revs. So when the bike's up sort of 3,500, 4,000 revs, full throttle, half throttle, whatever, it's absolutely fine. It's only at low revs, below about 3,500, there's this little hesitation, and it doesn't matter if it's low throttle openings or high throttle openings, it just does it at lower revs, which is weird. So that makes me think it's probably not the throttle position sensor. I'm trying to go through in my head of the options, what it could be. I don't think it's spark plug. I mean, I should say that this bike, although it's 18 years old, in fact 19 years this year, is very, very low mileage. So it's quite an unusual bike. It's only done, and it's in there somewhere, it's only done less than 7,000, 6,996 actually. So it's, you wouldn't think it was the spark plugs or the coils or anything like that, but I guess age can take its toll just the same as mileage. So the first thing I'm going to do is change the plugs, and then take it from there really. I don't want to go buying 4 coils. It's stick coils on this, so there's one for each cylinder. I should also say the bike's got a power commander on it, and it did have a exhaust on it as well. I've taken the exhaust off, so we're back now to the beautiful drain pipe that you get with these as standard, and the power commander's been disconnected, so the bike's running as it would, completely standard, and it's still doing it. So it's nothing to do with the power commander or anything that's been added to the bike. Other than that, it's completely stock, and it was fine. I mean, the power commander has been on it since I got the bike pretty much, and it's been fine. So I didn't think it was that, but I wanted to rule things out as much as I could. So the next part of this video will be hopefully an explanation of what was wrong with it, and hopefully if you've got the same sort of symptoms, just to repeat again, basically it'll start fine, it'll run fine, but it hesitates, it kind of splitters, I suppose you would say, just every now and again. It's not constant, it's just every now and again, at low revs. High revs, it's fine. So if you've got the same kind of thing going on with your bike and it's this kind of bike, then hopefully, if I can tell you what cured mine, it will give you a place to start with yours. So look out for the next part of the video, and I'll put them up together so you don't have to wait and find out. It might be that there's a month or a year between these two videos, but I'll put them up together so you know what the problem was. So thanks.